Hello, grade 2. Uh, our third lesson, multiplication. As you see here, this is the 2 times table. 1 2's 2, 2 2's 4, 3 2's 6, 4 2's 8, 5 2's 10, 6 2's 12, 7 2's 14, 8 2's 16, 9 2's 18, and 10 2's 20. Moving on to 3 times table. 1 3's 3, 2 3's 6, 3 3's 9, 4 3's 12, 5 3's 15, 6 3's 18, 7 3's 21, 8 3's 24, 9 3's 27, and 10 3's 30. 4 times table. 1 4's 4, 2 4's 8, 3 4's 12, 4 4's 16, 5 4's 20, 6 4's 24, 7 4's 28, 8 4's 32, 9 4's 36, 10 4's is 40. 5 times table. 1 5's 5, 2 5's 10, 3 5's 15, 4 5's 20, 5 5's 25, 6 5's 30, 7 5's 35, 8 5's 40, 9 5's 45, 10 5's 50. Now the last one is 10 times table, the easiest one. 1 10's 10, 2 10's 20, 10's 30, 4 10's 40, 5 10's 50, 6 10's 60, 7 10's 70, 8 10's 80, 9 10's 90, and 10 10's is 100. Now I'll show you 2 videos, songs of 2 times table and 5 times table. They might help you in memorizing them. In our curriculum, you're only asked to memorize 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table, 5 and 10 times table only. I will keep you with the videos. Watch out.
Let's fill those 2's. 1 2 is 2, and 2 2's are 4, and 3 2's are 6, and 4 2's are 8. 5 2's are 10, and 6 2's are 12, and 7 2's are 14, 8 2's are 16. 2's are 18, and 10 2's are 20, 11 2's are 22, 12 2's are 24. 2 4 6 8 10 and 12, 14 and 16, 18 20 22 and 24. It's time for the gaps. 1 2 is 2 2's are 3 2's are, and 4 2's are. 5 2's are, 6 2's are, 7 2's are, 8 2's are. 9 2's are, 10 2's are, 11 2's are, 12 2's are. 4 6 8 10 and 12, 14 and 16, 18 20 22 and 24.
together.
Ping pong. Ping pong. 5 more. It's time for 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 10 is 50. 5 times 11 is 55. 5 times 12 is 60. Count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
As a summary, you have to know that 2 times table is counting in twos, and 3 times table is counting in threes, 4 times table is counting in fours, 5 times table is counting in fives, and finally 10 times table is counting in tens. Now, after the multiplication, moving to the division side. What is division? Division is sharing amount into groups. For example, I have a chocolate bar and I want to share it with my friend. So I'll divide the chocolate bar into 2 halves and give half to my friend and half to me. So this is sharing. It's the same idea. Sharing, dividing is sharing amounts into groups. For example, here I have 6 cookies and I have 2 plates. So I want to divide these 6 cookies into these 2 plates. What am I going to do is 6 divided on 2 is how many? To make it easier, if you're good in multiplication, you'll be perfect in division. So you look for the number that you multiply into, which gives the result 6. Let's try from the beginning. 1 2's 2, so no. 2 2's 4, also no. 3 2's is 6, so 3 is the answer. That means I should put 3 cookies in each plate, as I did here in the picture. Plate number 1 has 3 cookies and plate number 2 has 3 cookies. 3 and 3 together are 6 cookies, so these 6 cookies I divided between these 2 plates. Moving on to the second example, I have here 10 flowers and 5 jars, and I want to divide or to share these 6 flowers into these 5 jars. So I have 10 flowers divided on 5 jars equals. Now let's try with the same thing we did in the previous example. 1 5's 5, so no. 2 5's is 10, so this is the answer. The answer is 2. This means that each jar has to have 2 flowers. Let's draw them to make them clear. This is the first. This is the second. So as you see here, in each jar there is 2 flowers. Let's count them to make sure that our answer is correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is correct. Now I have some problems to work them out. They're so easy. Let's work them out together. The first one is 8 divided on 2. Let's try from the beginning as we did before. 1 2's 2, 2 2's 4, 3 2's 6, 4 2's 8. So the answer is 4. How can I make sure that this is the correct answer? Because 4 times 2 equals 8. Second one, 15 divided on 3. 1 3's 3, 2 3's 6, 3 3's 9, 4 3's 12, 5 3's 15. So the answer is 5. Same thing, 5 times 3 equals 15. 30 divided on 10. 1 10's 10, 2 10's 20, 3 10's 30. So the answer is 3. 3 times 10 equals 30. 25 divided on 5. 1 5's 5, no. 2 5's 10, 3 5's 15, 4 5's 20, 5 5's 25. So the answer is 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. 24 divided on 4. 1 4's 4, 2 4's 8, 3 4's 12, 4 4's 16, 5 4's 20, 6 4's 24. So the answer is 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. And vice versa. 24 divided on 4 is 6. The first one is 3 brothers have 5 toy cars each. How many cars altogether? As you see here in the picture, there are 3 brothers. Each one of them has 5 toy cars. The first one have 5, second one here in the middle have 5, and the last one, the third one, has also 5. Instead of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on, we can just work it out easily by multiplication. 5 times 3, 5, why 5 times 3? Because 5 toy cars times 3 brothers equals 15. 2 cats shared 6 fish. How many fish did they have each? Here, as you can see, we have 6 fish and 2 cats. They want to share them together. So, sharing is dividing. 6, because you have 6 fishes, divided on 2 cats, equals 3. Why? Because 3 times 2 equals 6. Holly shared 15 seeds between 3 pots. How many did she plant in each pot? So Holly has 15 seeds and she wants to plant them in these 3 pots. She shared them between these 3 pots. How many did she plant in each pot? How can we know this? We can just do it by division. As I said, sharing is dividing. So 15 seeds divided on 3 pots equals 5. Why? Because 5 times 3 equals 15. "18 sweets and 4 sweets makes how many altogether?" For example, I went to the shop and I bought 18 sweets, and then I went to another shop and I bought another 4 sweets. So how many are they all together? By addition, 18, the first 18 I bought, plus 4 other candies, equals 22. Why? Because after 18, open up 4 fingers and count with me. After 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. There are 34 flowers in the garden. Nadia planted 9 more. How many flowers are there now? This is Nadia's garden. She has already 34 flowers, and she wanted to plant another 9 more. So we will add these 2 numbers together of flowers so we can know how many flowers she have now. 34 plus 9 equals 43. Open up 9 fingers with me and count. After 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Eve invited 19 children to a party, but 3 of them cannot come. How many children can come to the party? So Eve is making a party, and she has invited all these children. They're 19, but unfortunately 3 of them are not coming. They're not able to come. The one I made a cross on, as you can see here. So it is subtraction. Why? Because the total number is 19. All of them are 19, but 3 are not coming. So 19 minus 3 equals 16. Open up 3 fingers. Let's count back. Before 19, 18, 17, 16. So the answer is 16. So only 16 of the children is coming to the party. The last one is Aaron's mom bought 23 carrots and 18 potatoes. How many vegetables did she buy? So Aaron and her mom went for shopping. Aaron's mom bought 18 potatoes and 23 carrots. So how many vegetables did she buy? How many altogether she bought? It is addition. 23 plus 18 equals 41. How did we do that? Let's take a look inside this books. We have 23 plus 18. Ones with ones, tens with tens, as we've learned. 3 plus 8, after 8, let's count on 3 steps. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So it's 11. I wrote 1 down here, and the other one of 11, I didn't write it here. I wrote it up on the tens, which is on the 2. So 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So the answer is 41.